I give thanks to the Lord and sing praise.